Hi and welcome to this short tutorial on setting up R and RStudio. First of all, open up a browser and search for install R. It should usually be the first link, so click on that, then click on download R version number for Windows. Just save the file. Once the download is completed, run the file. Just follow through the installation instructions. And then if you want, you can select which version you want. I just picked the 64-bit version because I don't want both. Just accept the default settings and click next. The installation should take a while, so just let it run its course. Once the installation is completed, just go and search for R, and you should see that there's a new desktop app that's been created. Here we can test out some basic statistical functions. First, create a vector. And once you've done that, you can use functions on it, for example, finding the mean of the set, the logs of all the values, or the standard deviation. So there you have it. You successfully installed R on your machine. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.